Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It will surely help our channel. Happy reading!
Hey everyone, so let's have a recap. Now it's chapter 231 of When Beauty Meets Beast. Let's start reading. It's so fluffy and comfortable. Thank you. How are you feeling now? What? Still in pain? Oh, you're asking about different pain, huh? Kaubaidi, huh? He's asking about that pain. Yes, indeed. He's asking about that. Um, I'm not in pain anymore. Hmm. Okay, you're not. Well, tonight, can I sleep with you? Straightforward. Well, Baidi is always a straightforward person. So no doubt. Huwag na tayo magtaka. Ganyan talaga yan siya. But those little babies have to sleep with me tonight. In dilemma. Of course, you'll be in dilemma with your babies. Or your mates. Siyempre, unahin ko yung mate, char. Kaya, sino mo unahin nyo? Then, let's do it now. Swish and pick up. Whoa! Ikaw ba hindi ha? Mamadali ka ha? Bit-bit agad ha? Let's do it when Shuang Yun is taking care of the babies. So, Baidi is still thinking about the babies. It's just that, of course, he wants to be with Wang. Nakalimutan ko to yung pangalan nitong bidang to. Wan. Ano ba naman? Ano kasi ako sa Beauty and the Beast tsaka sa When Beauty Meets Beast eh. This big tiger looks decent but actually is very skimming. Tagal na siyang ganyan, pe. He's always been like that even before. Russell. Tamo naman yung tsurang yan. Sino ba namang hindi aanuhin? Charit. Landi mo talaga, te. One, I think you've become even more beautiful after becoming a mother. Matagal naman siyang maganda. Ikaw nang ano ka ha, nang flutter ka ha, Baiti ha. Chomp. Di ba dapat badum? Bijim. Nakabahan pa rin siya kay Baiti. Di ba first love niya si Baiti? Oh, stop it. I got so fat. Na-insecure siya sa body niya. May pa ganun pa ate girl. Lahat nga ng meets mo gusto kang makatabi eh. You are more charming to me now. Oh well. Oh my gosh. For real. Talaga. May censored na siya. Di katulad ng mga nakaraan, walang censorship. Kaya lagi tayong nababan eh. Diba? Hanggang dyan lang na naman. Wala mang foreplay. Charit. Okay, sunset na. Hey, where's Spidey? I saw him come back earlier. Wala na, yung hinahanap mo nandun na sa loob. Alam ko iniisip na to eh. Maduga din kasi to eh. Isa din to. Kaya nagagalit pag nauunahan. Sorry ka, boy. Wait. Yes. Yes, yung iniisip mo, yun talaga yung nangyayari. Could it be? Oh. Naunahan ka, boy. Sorry ka. Shut up. Daddy's gonna fetch you some food. Wala kang magagawa, be. Alagaan mo na lang yung mga bata. Well, forget it. I'll let the tiger go for the sake of these little babies. Alagaan mo lang yung mga babies mo. Maya ka na magreklamo. Oh, our snake is here. I'm so twisted. I have desires that I can't express. Oh, kawawa naman to. Iba talaga yung mga introvert, no? Si Curtis nga doon sa Beauty and the Beast, napaka-introvert niya din. Hindi na niya ma-express yung feelings niya kay Little Bai. Ito namang isa dito, hindi niya ma-express yung feeling niya for 1-1. But if I were to tell 1-1 about my desires, would she despise me and discover the dark side hidden in me? Well, given that you're a man, of course, may mga desires naman talaga. Kaya, huwag mo nang questionin si 1-1 kasi alam na niya yan. Inaantay ka lang naman niya. Oh my gosh. May pag ganon. Hindi ganon ka-censored. Ano, grabe siya. Parang Curtis, no? Hindi siya pag nag-mate sila, nagiging half snake beast siya, half human. Swesha, ito na naman yung feather feather tribe. Your Majesty, what do you want? Swish. Nagwapo dito. Ang pangalan nito, nakalimutan ko. Mag-aaway na naman sila. Turn around. Siya nang umiwas. Dodge. Ayaw kanyang kausap. Kaya wag na. Umiwas na nga yung tao, di ba? Troublesome thing. Anyway, this is the end of this chapter. I know it's rumbled. I started with the very latest one and then this one. Well, later on, I will start at 217. I know you already read those, but I just want to start from where I stopped and then continue until the latest one. Well, I hope you could still read with them. Just a little recap. Well, it's all up to you guys. Anyway, I hope you could like and subscribe my channel. And that's all. Thank you and goodbye. See ya.
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter.